rear-wheel drive passenger car with a body-type sedan, further development of the classic line VAZ car with rear-wheel drive. The final model of the classics, of the first family, the receiver of the car VAZ 2103. The first 6 left the assembly line of the Volga automobile plant in 1976 and until 1977 were issued simultaneously with the VAZ 2103, and then replaced them completely. VAZ 2106 was produced with different engines. VAZ 2106 a working volume of 1.6 liters, the VAZ 2103 1.5 liters, VAZ 2106-3, VAZ 2101 1.3 liters, VAZ 2106-1. December 25, 2001. 6 production at Avtovaz was discontinued, but within a few years